Hi everyone, I'm Dustin Nelson, Account Manager with Tielman Group. We're excited to be at IBIE later this year, which we know is the biggest and one of the most exciting baking industry events in North America. At Tielman, we like to say it all starts and ends with a cup. From the time the batter gets deposited to the moment your customer unwraps and takes their first bite, our products are often the first and last things many baked goods will touch. You might already know us for our high quality and highly customizable tulip cups and muffin wraps, which we'll be showcasing at IBIE in a number of shapes, colors, sizes, and designs. But this year, we're excited to be showcasing a number of new and innovative products, which we're really proud of. Come check out our no-pan liners, prefix muffin trays, and our Bakewell baking molds, all designed to make your baking faster, easier, and more sustainable. Come stop by booth 7063 and say hi to Tielman. Let's talk about how we can help customize packaging that fits your brand and your business. If you can bake in it, we make it. See you at IBIE.